Every time you drive, it falls. Here is a simple $1 fix. Just clip it right on the hinge. Problem solved, it stays up now. If your sun visor keeps falling down, here's why. First, pop off this plastic mounting cover. And there it is, a totally cracked and broken clip. Stick around to see how we fix this for just $1. Sick of your sun visor falling down? This $1 clip is the ultimate fix. Just snap it right into the hinge assembly. Now we just put everything back together. Secure the screws so it sits flush. Pop the cover back on.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe
satisfying fix.
to Fixcraft
All right,
Garage.
let's see if
Turn
this
on the
simple
notification
fix
bell
actually holds up. Look at that, it is not moving at all. And that is how you save yourself a trip to the mechanic. And just like that, it's fixed. No more falling visors. It works perfectly, just like new. Best dollar I've ever spent.
Is your sun visor constantly falling down like this? Here is a quick and satisfying $1 fix. Look at that massive difference. No more falling visors.
Is your sun visor always falling down? Here is a quick and easy fix. This $1 clip makes it work flawlessly. Now you can fix your car interior today.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fixcraft Garage. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new repair guide, maintenance tip, or garage project.